Smilax herbacea. The smooth carrionflower, a smooth herbaceous greenbrier, is a plant in the catbriar family. It is native to eastern Canada, Quebec, Ontario, New Brunswick, and the eastern United States, as far south as Georgia and Alabama. Description: Smilax herbacea is a vine with alternate, simple leaves on climbing stems. The flowers are green. Born in spring. The plant at first looks like asparagus when it first sprouts out of the ground. The plant can grow over 8 feet tall without support, but will eventually fall over unless it successfully finds external support. As flowers start to develop, at first they look similar to small broccoli florets on thin stems.